Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have unseasonably warm temperatures out there this morning, although we do have abundant low cloudiness and some patchy fog. We'll remain seeing this patchy fog this morning into the afternoon hours as well. The low cloudiness temperatures will rise up today in the upper 60s, so we'll see near record high temperatures, but it will be kind of a cloudy day. Our surface analysis as of 9Z this morning, we have a area high pressure off the eastern seaboard, although we do have a area of low cloudiness across the eastern portion of the Appalachian Mountains over the coastal plain that's going to continue to plague our region with these lower ceilings around 300 to around 1,000 feet today with these low clouds. This area high pressure is going to win out tomorrow as we'll see more sunshine during the afternoon, but today looking at cloudy skies, possibility we see a few breaks during the late afternoon today as that mixing with the sunshine possibly could win out during that time period. Our radar this morning, we do have a few light rain showers across North Carolina. Not going to see any precipitation across the Wallops region today. Could see a few areas of patchy drizzle this morning, but only a slight chance of that occurring. Looking at our current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we have an overcast deck at 300 feet, 3-mile statute visibility with some mist out there. Winds are out of the 230 azimuth at 8 knots, temperature 62 degrees, and relative humidity at 93%. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have low cloudiness and patchy fog in the area throughout the day. Best chance of seeing a reduced cloud cover and higher ceilings will be between 1600 local and 20 local this afternoon into the evening hours. But for overall today, we'll just see continued low cloudiness, high temperature 68 degrees. This evening we'll see a low of 53 degrees as we'll have south-southwesterly winds at 5 to 10 knots. It's going to bring in that cool air mass off the water. And then overnight we'll actually see our temperatures rise once again as winds become southwesterly into the upper 50s to lower 60s by tomorrow morning. And looking at the risks for today, we'll have a red for ceilings this morning, orange for this afternoon, as I mentioned, a yellow for the evening hours, and then we'll increase those chances of ceilings at or below 500 feet and visibility below a mile for the overnight time period. For our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we have overcast deck at 300 feet. As I mentioned, we have those visibilities anywhere from about 2 miles to 3 miles this morning. Likely scenario, we do see an overcast deck at 400 feet and increase those visibilities up to 4 statute miles from now until 10 o'clock. And then after 10 o'clock, we're going to see ceilings with an overcast deck at 500 feet. Looking at this afternoon, as I mentioned, we'll continue to see these low clouds plaguing our area with an overcast deck at 800 feet by noon today. And then, as I mentioned, the best chance of seeing a little bit of sunshine this afternoon will be after 1400 local with a broken deck at 1,000 feet, broken deck at 2,000 feet with a tempo between 1400 to 1900 local. And then tonight we're going to have a good chance, a likely chance of seeing some fog in the region. At 2300 local, we're going to see overcast deck at 400 feet, 1 mile statute visibility, and a chance of a half a mile statute visibility with fog in the area. And by tomorrow morning, we're going to see a broken deck at 500 feet, overcast deck at 1,000 feet, with a likely scenario we do see ceilings rising up to 1,000 feet with a broken deck after 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Our tides are normal, and looking at a Wednesday and a Thursday, fairly active weather pattern. We'll have anomalous ridge across the eastern portion of the United States, going to allow us to have record high temperatures for our Wednesday of 72 degrees. We'll have patchy fog during the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy in the afternoon. It'll be slightly breezier in the afternoon as well. So we'll have yellow for our winds, yellow for our ceilings on Wednesday. Then Wednesday night, we're going to have a backdoor cold front starting to approach from the north. It's going to give us partly cloudy skies, becoming overcast, the chance of patchy fog by dawn. It'll be mild with a low of 50 degrees, and that 50 degrees will be most likely seen during the dawn time period. Looking at temperatures overnight into the upper 50s on Wednesday as that backdoor cold front does approach. We'll see those temperatures drop very quickly, with as well as with the low cloudiness moving in, a yellow for our Wednesday night, into our Thursday morning. And then Thursday we'll have overcast skies, slightly breezy winds out of the northeast, abundant low cloudiness, and a chance of some light rain showers with that cold front moving through the area and remaining just south of our region. We'll see a high of 51 degrees during the morning with temperatures dropping to the mid-40s by afternoon. So Thursday will be a much cooler day, be a big change from our Wednesday, seeing temperatures in the 70s, and then by Thursday afternoon we're back in the mid-40s. We'll see yellow for precip on Thursday and an orange for our ceilings and visibilities. That's going to complete the 8:15 daily operations weather brief this morning. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.